Hello, teacher.
Good evening, and welcome again to our class for today. So you are today for today. Did you go? You can hear me. Can you hear me now? I think my
Yes.
yes, okay. So hello again, Kwa. Good evening. It's nice to see you again and welcome again to our class for today. So I'm still your teacher, Teacher Iris, and how are you for today? How are you today, Kwa?
I'm good.
You're good. Wow, that's good to know. And did you go to school today?
No.
No, there's no schools today.
Yes.
What day is your school? What day do you go to school? Is it Monday, Tuesday?
I I don't need go to school now because it's summer.
Oh, okay, yeah, yeah. I see. It's summer. Okay, okay. And when shall your school be back? When when you will be returning to your school? Is it on June?
It's
Your
in
your school will return on June?
on August.
Oh, on August. Wow, you have a long vacation. And what do you plan? What do you plan to do while you don't have school?
I want to do uh many many things.
What kind of things that you want to do? Do you plan to travel with your family, or do you want to play games? What are the things that you want to do?
I want to travel.
Oh, travel. Will you be traveling with your parents this month or next month? Or do your parents planned to travel for you to be able to travel this month or next month? Do-
What?
Okay. Do your parents plans to travel within this month, next month, or next months?
Next month.
Oh, next month, or is it on July? July? You will be
What?
you will be travel
Yes.
you will be traveling on July?
Yes.
Where? What is the place? What is the place that you will be traveling to?
It's Hanoi.
Oh, Hanoi. Oh, where is your hometown again? It's Ho Chi Minh. Is that correct? Ho Chi Minh City, your hometown?
No.
No. Where is your hometown?
My hometown is in Haiphong City.
Haiphong. Okay. I think the Ho Chi Minh City is on my different student. Oh, it's on Haiphong. Okay. Is um Hanoi far or near on your hometown? Is Hanoi far or near your home?
Yeah.
Oh, just near? How many hours do you travel to Hanoi? Is it only hours? Is it only minutes or it takes hours to travel from from your hometown to Hanoi? How long? How long do you
Mm,
travel?
1 week.
Huh?
1 week.
1 week?
Yes.
One week. So you will be traveling for 1 week. But how long? How long is the transportation? Like for example, within this day you are in Haiphong and you will travel tomorrow. So if you travel at for example 9 o'clock p.m., what time will you be able to get? What time? Oh, okay. For example, you will be traveling today, 9 p.m. So what time will you be able to go to Hanoi? Is it does it takes hours or minutes only? Is the travel time? How long is the travel time?
Um, is 6 hours.
Oh, 6 hours.
Yes.
Oh, and what is the transportation that you will go to or you will ride? You will go to. Do you have a car or do you go by bus, by train? What is the
Mm,
transportation that you will
I
use?
go by train.
Oh, train. Okay. Okay, okay. Oh, but that's a long time. 6 hours travel time going by train. Because as far as I know, the train is fast in Vietnam. Is it true? Is the
Yes.
train? Oh, it's fast. Because here in the Philippines, the trains here are very slow. So you will take a long, long time to travel from one place to another. That is why a teacher likes to travel to Japan because Japan is known for its fast trains.
Yes.
Yes. Have you seen Japan's fast trains?
Yes.
Yes. So their trains are very fast. Okay. So now let's move on to our new lesson for today. So can you read the title of our lesson?
You need 13 friends.
Okay, very good. So, friends. So, we have here the word friends. So, what is your idea with the word friends or friends?
Is the person
Person. Who is this person? Can you describe the person that you call your friend?
is the person always ready to have help me when I need.
Oh, wow, that's good to know. That is right. That is correct. So, a friend is a person that is always with us and helps us when we need them. Especially, these are the people that are close to us. So, this is the people that we talk to every day, that we express our problems. And this is the person that is basically the closest person to us aside from our parents. So we call them as friends. So now let's learn more about friends. So what are the vocabularies connected to friends? What are the phrases that we can learn that we can use to make a sentence? And what is the story that we have for this new lesson? So now let's have the vocabulary or new words that we have for our lesson friends. So now, let's go with our first. Okay, the first word. First word is
Friend
friend. Very good. So like what you have said, dankwa or kwa. So I have a student named Dankwa. That is why I mixed up your names. That's why I
is
always call you Dankwa, but you are only Kwa. Okay. So like what you have said, when we say friend, it is someone that is always with us and helps us whenever we need them. So for this one, who is your friend at school? Kwa.
my, my friends at school is uh, make
Oh, Ming. This one, Ming. Is that
yes.
correct? Okay, Ming. Okay. Can you describe um Ming? Can you describe something about Ming? What is his personality? Or something that you can share about Ming?
He he is slim and short.
Hmm.
Uh, his face.
Is?
Uh,
Oh, his
he
face.
he he wears glasses.
Oh, he wears glasses. Okay. He wears glasses. And how about what are the things that you and Ming are similar? What are the things that you and Ming are similar to each other? Like for do you
Is
like
is both I and Ming.
both?
Both I and Ming are intelligent.
Oh wow, that is a good one. Okay, so both you and Ming are intelligent. So is Ming also a chess player?
Yes.
Oh, he also plays chess. Wow. Do you
How do you know?
ah because you said that you like
Oh,
chess.
yeah.
So when you have friends, so somehow both of you has similar things that you do. So I just thought that Ming also likes to play chess. That is why he is your friends. And you also mentioned that Ming is also intelligent. Most of the intelligent person or people plays chess because chess you need logic for you to be able to win chess. So that is how I know. Okay, so very good. So thank you so much for sharing about your friend Ming. So nice job. So next, let's go with our next word.
Friendship.
Friendship. Very good. So when we say friendship, Kwa, what comes to your mind when you um hear the word friendship? What comes to your mind when you hear the word friendship?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, okay. So when we say friendship, it is similar to the word friend, but when we say friendship, it is okay, this one. It is the relationship between friends. So when we say friend, it is the people that we are close to. But when we say friendship, it is the relationship that we have to the people or to our friend. Okay, so that is the difference between friend and friendship. So, friend is the person, friendship is like the concept of being friends with other people. It is the simply the relationship. Okay, so for this word friendship, what makes a friendship strong for you? This one, what makes a friendship strong for you?
Mm. The is I play with a friend
Mm.
very long.
Oh, oh, I play with a friend. Play with a friend very long. Wow, nice na. That's a nice idea. How about do you think do you think honesty and trust is what a friendship becomes strong? Do you think honesty and
Yes.
trust is what a friendship?
Yes.
Yes, okay, very good. Because being honest to the people that we are close to, it builds trust. So it makes the friendship strong. So Is there a time that you and Ming had a fight?
No.
I know. Wow, that's very good. That's very good to know, because that is one of the sign that your friendship is strong, that you do not fight with each other. Okay, so that is the difference between friend and friendship. Okay, so next, let's move on to our next word. So here we have another word, which is
Close friend.
close friend. Very good. So when we say close friend, what comes to your mind, Kwa? When we say close friend,
Close friends is
when when we think of the word close, what is your understanding with the word close?
is the person I play with.
Play with, yes. Okay, that's correct. It's the person that you play with. So when you say close friend, it's the person that you play with. However, when we say a close friend, from the word close, it is the person that we know very well. So when we say close, so it is like you have known everything from that
Yes.
person. You know what is his favorite food, what is his favorite things. So that is a close friend. So you're close, for example, since you and Ming are close friends. So um do Ming does Ming knows all of your secrets?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Yes, because Ming is your close friend. So, close friend is something or someone that we know very well. That is
And
close. Yeah,
me is my best friend too.
best friend. Yes. Okay, very good. That is one similar term for close friend, best friend. Okay, so next, let's move on to this one. So we have close friend and we also have closest. What is this one?
Closest friend.
Okay, very good. So the difference between a close friend and closest friend, when we say close friend, it is the person that we know very well. However, when we say closest friend, this is the friend who is the most special to you. So it is like the highest level of being close. So that is the difference. So when we say close friend, it is the person that we know very well. However, closest friend is the most special to you. So do you think Ming is your closest friend, and why?
Yes, because when it's the weekend, I and me away went to my house
Mm.
or Ming's house to play.
Oh, okay. Wow, that's good. So basically, Ming is also your closest friend. So nice job. So next, let's move on to our next word here. So here, can you read this one?
Choose friend.
Okay, one more time. Let's say true. True.
True.
Okay, very good. So when we say a true friend, so a true friend is a friend that is loyal and always support you. Because do you know the term a fake friend? Fake friend.
Yes.
So when we say fake friend, so this These are the friends that are only kind when they are facing you. However, when uh, i- when they are on or at the back, when they are at the back, they say bad things to you. However, true friend is always loyal and always support you, even if you are not, or even if you are out of their sight, or even if they cannot see you, or they are not with you. So they will always say good things about you. They will always support you. They will not get jealous of you. So that is a true friend. So, like what you've said, a friend is the one who will always help you. That is a true friend. Okay. So
Yes,
Okay. So do you think Ming is a true friend or a fake friend?
it's a true friend.
True friend. Yes. Very good. Nice job. So next, let's move on to our next word here. So can you read the next word? Old.
Oh, friend
Okay, old friend. So when we see the word old friend, so what comes to your mind, Kwa, with this word old friend, former friend? What is your idea with this?
is the uh friends with many oh yes oh
It's the friend. We are friends with older people. Is that correct?
yes.
Okay, okay. So nice. So nice idea. However, when we say old friend, it is not generally talks about older people or being friend with older people. When we say old friend or former friend, it is a friend that you knew long ago or someone who used to be your friend. For example, your friend in elementary. Do you have a elementary level in your school or at your school? Do you have elementary level? Do do you have elementary level or preschool level?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So in this level of school that we had before, we had friends. We are young, we had friends. However, when we when we go to high school, so they are not our friends anymore. So that means those friends that we had on elementary or preschool, so those are our old friends. Okay, so they used to be our friend. They are our friend long time ago. So they are not our friend anymore. Um, we used to be friends with them, but not not right now. So that means they are our old friends. Okay, so now teacher has a question for you regarding old friends. Um, do you still talk to your old friends?
Mm, no.
No, okay. Okay, so yeah, that's understandable because most of our old friends, so we do not have communication to them or with them. So our new friends are those friends that are friends right now, especially when you go to college. So you will meet a lot of friends, different kinds of friends, true friends, close friend, closest friends. So that is the time that you will experience everything. Okay? So next, let's go to this one. Next word, childhood friend. Can you read
Yes,
this one?
friend.
Childhood friend. One more time. Childhood.
Childhood friends.
Okay, very good. So now, do you know what a childhood friend is? Do you know?
is the friends when is the friends when I small.
Okay, when I am still small or young. So very good. These are my friends. These are my friends when I am still small or young. Very good. Because from the word childhood, child. So these are our friends when we are still a child. Childhood friend. Okay. So for this one, do you still have your childhood friend right now at your hometown?
No.
I know you don't have a childhood friend.
Yes.
Okay. Why? Are you introverted when you are a child?
Because
Or
because uh, the place I live has is very quiet.
oh, okay, I see. Because just to confirm, your place is a countryside, right? Is that correct? Your hometown is
No.
countries. Ah, no, it's city.
Yes.
Oh,
But
it's city.
in city bus in
It's
a
quiet.
place quiet in city.
Oh, it's a quiet city. Oh, okay, I see. So you do not have much neighbors? You don't have neighbors?
Yes.
Okay, I see, I see. Okay, so nice job. So when we say childhood friends, these are our friends when we are still a child. So next, let's have this another friend. So can you read this one?
Girlfriend
Girlfriend, very good. So when we say girlfriend, do you have any idea what a girlfriend is?
is the friend, but a good.
No, it's the friend, it's our friend.
But she
That's but
that's a good.
yes, but a girl, girlfriend. So from the word girl, so it is a girl that we have as a friend. However, many people have different meaning of the girlfriend, especially the general meaning of the girlfriend. So instead of saying that it is a friend that's a girl, so a girlfriend is a girl that you have a romantic relationship with. So this is like the general meaning of girlfriend. So instead of just being friends with a girl, it is having a romantic relationship with a girl. So that is a girlfriend. So right now, Kwa, do you have a girlfriend?
No.
No. Okay, very good. So no, no, no. You are still young. So this is a girlfriend. So a girl that you have a romantic relationship with. Okay. So next we have here. So we have girlfriend. We have now boyfriend.
Yes.
Yes. So it is also when we say boyfriend, it is our friend that is a boy. However, generally, so when we say boyfriend, it is a boy that you have a romantic relationship with. So, so for Ming, you cannot say that Ming is your boyfriend. So you can say
Yes.
yes,
Because
because
I'm not gay.
yes, that is correct. And it is also not normally accepted. So boyfriend when you are so we can just say that Ming is your best friend, close friend, or closest friend, or true friend, but not your boyfriend. So
Yes.
that is a boyfriend, okay? So next, let's have this one. Let's have our phrases here. Can you read the first phrase that we have here?
Hang out. We spend a lot of time.
Okay, very good. So first, we have here hang out with. So when we say hang out with, to spend a free time with someone. For example, I hang out with my friends at the mall. How
Yes.
how about you? Who do you hang out with?
Is my friend.
Okay, I hang out with my friends. Where do you hang out with your friends?
I hang out with my friends. Um, when I feel bored
Oh, when I feel bored. Okay, very good. And where do you like to hang out with your friends?
because hang out with friend can
Because because hanging out is
hang out with friends can help me feel comfortable.
okay, very good. So one more time, let's say this word comfortable. Comfortable.
Comfortable.
Okay, very good. So it's silent R. So not comfortable, it's comfortable. Silent OR sound. Okay. So where is the place that you like to hang out with your friends? Is it in the park, in your house, at the mall? Where do you like to hang out? At the mall? At your house?
At the playground
Oh, at the
or
playground.
or uh, a stadium.
Oh, or on the stadium. Wow. Is there a nearest stadium in your hometown?
Yes.
Oh, wow, that's good to know. Okay, so very good. So that is hang out with. So next we have here spend a lot of time with. When we say spend a lot of time with is to be with someone often or always, always, often, always, or every day. For example, um, I spend a lot of time with my parents. Okay. So for this one, Kwa, who do you spend the most who do you spend the most time with?
Mm, I think it's my parents.
Oh, your parents also. Okay, very good. So I spend a lot of time with my parents. Okay. Next, let's have another two phrase here. Oh, understand you. Oh, we also. Oh, okay. So can you read this one? Understand you.
Understand you. Teacher,
Oh, yes.
we already study this.
Oh, do we already study this?
Yes.
Really believe in you and understand you. Okay.
Yes.
So let's skip this one. Okay. So let's have a review. Okay. A teacher will ask some question here, and based on the vocabulary that we have learned, so you'll answer. What is the word? Okay. First one. What is the word? Um, that means to be with someone often. I mean the phrase. This is a phrase actually. What is the phrase that means to be with someone often, always, or every day?
Mm, every day.
Yes, what is the word? Is it hang out with, spend a lot of time with?
My parents.
This one. You will, teacher will say the meaning of the word, and you will answer it by the phrase or word that we had learned today. For example, this meaning to be with someone often. So when we say, or when this meaning, so it connects to the word spend a lot of time with, because spend a lot of time with means that to be with someone often. For example, um, a friend, a friend you had when you were a child. What is the word? Is it true friend, closest friend, or childhood friend?
Childhood friend.
Okay, very good. Childhood friend. So next, let's have another meaning here. Um, it is a friend you knew long ago or used to be friends with. Is it close friend, friendship, old friend or former friend, or boyfriend?
Mm, old friend.
Okay, very good. Old friend. So next, um, it is the most special friend that you have. Is it true friend, closest friend, or childhood friend? The most special friend that you have.
Mm,
Is it true friend, closest?
closest friend.
Okay, very good. It's closest friend, the most special friend that you have. How about a girl that you have a romantic relationship with? What is that word?
Mm,
A you know
is the girlfriend.
girlfriend. Very good. How about the opposite of girlfriend? It is a boy you have a romantic relationship with. What is it? The opposite of girlfriend. What is the opposite of girl? It's
Is the boy's friend.
okay, very good. It's the boyfriend. Um, how about when we say the relationship between two people who are friends? It is friend or friendship?
Uh, Fresh.
Okay, very good. So when we say friendship, it is the relationship. However, when we say a person you like and spend time with, is it friend or friendship? A person, when we say
Uh,
person, is it
friendships.
this one? A person you like and spend time with. So if friendship is relationship, what is a person? What do we call them? Friend or friendship?
Mm, friend.
Okay, very good. Good job. So that is the difference between friend and friendship. Friend is the person, and friendship is the relationship between two people who are friends. Next, let's have here last one. This one. A loyal friend who supports you in good and bad times. What is
Is
this?
the true friend.
True friend. Very good. Nice. Very good. Good job. So that is our vocabulary. So nice job because you have answered it all. Oh, I think this game is not working. So let's just skip that game. Okay, so we have here phrases. So can you read our first phrase and the sentence example here?
Simon finds it hard to make friends with other children.
Huh? What are you? This one. Ah, okay. So you have already read it. So our first phrase it's make friends. So when we say make friends, it is to start a new friendship with someone. For example, we have here an example. Simon finds it hard to make friends with other children. So, for this phrase, can you make an example sentence using this phrase, make friends?
Uh, I try to make friend in the new school.
Oh, I try to make friends in my new school. Okay, very good. Nice. Okay, next. Let's have our second. Can you read the second phrase in the sentence example?
I have a lot. Uh, Now and I have a lot of in common.
Okay, very good.
I
So
have
when
a
we s-
lot. I have
okay,
a lot in common.
okay, very good. So when we say have a lot in common, it means that to share the same interests, hobbies, or ideas with someone. So like you and me. So you share the same interests or hobbies. So you both play chess. You both are intelligent. So now, can you have or can you make a sentence using have a lot in common?
Um, I and Ming have a lot in common.
Okay, very good. Have a lot in common. Nice. I and me have a lot in common. So very good. Nice job. Next. So let's have our reading and discussion, which is a story about our lesson for today. So now, can you read the whole story that we have here?
I like to make new friends, so I have a lot of friends. Moreover, I still keep in touch with of my childhood friends. I can make friends very easily because I am friendly and easygoing. I become close to a person after we first meet. I and my friends often hang out and talk about our work and daily life. Go out for a coffee or have a party. Sometimes we go traveling together on holidays. I have a long distance friend. Her name is Lan. We were close, very close during childhood time. But when we were in 12th grade, she and her family moved to Ho Chi Minh City. Since then, we had never met face to face, but we often talk with catch on the third through Facebooks or Zillow.
Okay, very good. Okay, let's read these words again. This one. So can you read this one again? This.
Childhood,
Okay, so nice try. Let's say childhood. Childhood.
childhood,
Okay, nice job. Next, we have here this word. It
science,
signs. Okay, let's read it one more time. Let's say since. Since then.
since,
Yes, since then. Okay.
since then,
Okay, next. Can you read again this word?
Facebook,
Okay, very good. Facebook. Because you said earlier Facebook. It's like that. Okay, very good. That's Facebook. So let's have a questions here about our story. So let's answer first. So does Lynn have many friends? Does Lynn have many friends? Yes or no?
Yes, she does.
Okay. Is Lynn a girl or a boy?
A girl.
A girl. So shall we use he or she? Yes.
She.
Okay, very good. So yes, she does. And why did you say, or why do you say that Lynn has many friends based on the story? What is Lynn's personality?
This personality is friendly and crazy going.
Okay, very good. Uh, Easily friendly and easygoing. Very good. So since Lynn is friendly and easygoing, so she have a lot of friends. So very good. Next, why does Lynn makes friends easily?
Because she is friendly and crazy going.
Okay, very good. And one more reason, so she can make friends easily because she likes to make new friends. Oh, what happened, Kwa? Oh no, what happened, Kwa? did did your internet lost again? What happened? Hello? Are you still there? Hello, hello. I think your microphone is
Hmm.
oh okay now. what
Repeat.
hap what happened?
My iPad is power outage.
Ah, oh, okay. That's why. What are you using right now? Phone?
Uh, I'm using my iPad.
Oh, your iPod still. Okay. So,
I
okay.
I don't I don't look the pin. It has only five, and I don't care. And it's power outage.
Okay, okay. That's why. Okay, it's okay. So now, let's continue the question and answer that we have here. So let's have the third question. So what does Lynn often do with her friends?
Ling and her friends often hang out and talk about their work and daily life.
Okay,
Go out for a coffee or have a party.
okay, very good. So it's also sometimes they go travel together on holidays. Very good. So nice. So we have here the last question. So who is Lan?
Land is the links. This tastes friend.
Okay, very good. So when we say Lan, she is or he or she is Lin's. Actually, Lan is also a girl. Her name is Lan. So Lan is um, Lin's long distance friend. When we say long distance, it is our friend that is far from us or lives far away from our hometown. So I think this is Lan is her childhood friend because Lynn told that they were very close during childhood time. But when she got or when she were in 12th grade, Lan and her family had to move to Ho Chi Minh. That is why. So they became long distance friends. So they often only talk to each other through Facebook and Zalo or Zalo. That is Zalo. Okay. So very good. So good job for answering our questions here. So now let's have this phrase. So can you read this one?
Keep keep in touch.
Okay, very good. So when we say keep in touch, it is to continue talking or communicating with someone. Like for example, Lynn and Lan keeps in touch with each other. So they communicate, they continuously communicate with each other through Facebook or Zalo. Next, can you read the second word, highlighted word?
Easily.
Easily. Very good. When we say easily, it is something simple to do that is not difficult. So in this story, so Lynn can make friends easily. So that is easily. So close. Next word is close. When we say close, like what we have earlier, close friend. Close is to have a strong and friendly relationship with someone. So it is being close. First meet, it is the time when you see or talk to someone for the first time. And met face to face, it is to meet someone directly or in person. Like for example, this story that Lynn has. So Lynn and Lan are long distance friends, so they are not able to meet face to face. So they only meet through online. So that is our lesson. So good job. Good job for finishing our lesson for today, Kwa. So for this one, I think just review. Just re- uh, just just review the things that we had learned today, and also you can refer to this link, this one. I sent the link on our chat box in the Zoom. So you can refer to this link to review the words that we had learned today. Okay?
Yes.
So you can practice this word. So thank you again so much for your time today, Kwa. And see you again in our next class, which is on Tuesday. So goodbye and thank you very much. Goodbye and good night. Thank you.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye. Bye 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 bye.